If your pole pruner engine stops running after a few seconds, here are the top 4 most probable causes. The spark arrestor is a small screen that keeps sparks emitted by the engine from exiting the muffler. Over time, the arrestor can become clogged with soot, which may cause the engine to stop running. You can try cleaning the arrestor with a wire brush, but you may need to replace it with a new one. The residue that results from old fuel being left in the tank can create a restriction in the carburetor. This is why you should always use fresh fuel when filling the tank, and a fuel stabilizer to help maintain the quality of the fuel. For better stability, you can use a pre-mixed fuel and oil product that is ethanol-free. You can try cleaning the carburetor with carburetor cleaner to eliminate the clog. If cleaning is not effective, you can often purchase a carburetor repair kit to replace some of the components, or install a new carburetor altogether. Old or bad fuel can also create a clog in the fuel filter, which can cause the pole pruner engine to stop running. We recommend replacing the filter with a new one to solve the problem. A dirty air filter can cause the engine to stop running as well by restricting the air coming into the carburetor. The air filter should be replaced annually or whenever it is visibly soiled. All of the parts shown in this video are available on our website. Be sure to enter the full model number of your product to find the specific replacement part that will fix your pole pruner.